mga binati o minahal kong. Hi ma'am. Murag na nga to ma'am. Sa tumoy katong nailingin daw. Okay, magsugod, hapit na magsugod or mag-open.
Pasag na gano'n center?
Basta mo yun. Katong nga yung mga siso. Okay. Ako mang hinaot nga mosuroy atong suroyon ng ato ang seafood festival diri sa atong lungsod. Okay. Itong kanon guys, ako mang hinaot nga atong suportahan ang ato ang Lord. Sabi. Hello. Wala ko na.
Manay ka dito. Palit diha?
Oo, ako di pa palit.
Wala mo palit diha magkano?
Kusay.
Bakit ka na may liguran?
Gio pa. Gio sa ikan pero ini ka kuan ho man ha. Pwede na. Mga mais pa.
Hindi ka man na. Pwede na mo palit.
Oh, pwede na.
Sige.
Magsuroy mo, panuroy mo diri.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Matalom, Biro. Tonight, we will be having the opening of our week-long celebration of the founding day of our beloved municipality of Matalom. And of course, the highlight of this event, the Matalom Seafood Festival 2022. Are you ready? Say yes, are you ready?
Guys, may kuan.
All right, thank you very much. The Honorable Mayor of the Municipality of Matalom, Dr. Eric S. Pahulio.
Sorry na ko di.
Our Honorable Vice Mayor, Honorable Rick J. S. Pahulio. Members of the Sangguniang Bayan, our DILG officer, Mr. Ryan Valeriano. Members of the different departments,
Okay.
heads and employees of our different departments in our municipality.
Kung matalon
Our
kayo,
barangay officials
ato
and their
kayong pupuntahan.
constituents, and of
Ato
course,
ang
the
mga-
Department of Education personnel, headed by our supervisors,
Okay.
Dr. Alma Flor J. Sastre of Matalom North District,
Di
Dr. Estela A. Huntilla of Matalom South
Hi
District,
ma'am.
all school heads, members of the faculty and staff of the different schools, Matalomnons,
Sorry naman guys.
visitors, ladies and gentlemen, a great and festive evening to everyone! Maachong gabi ka natong tanan! By the way, my name is Ruel Caliao, and I am your host for tonight. The municipality of Matalom is known for its wonderful natural resources.
Maunig ka to ang
Gawas
matalong biwok.
sa kagwapo, gawas sa kaanyag, o kamatahong sa mga tao sa Matalom. We are so blessed with different natural resources. We have our Canigaw Island, we have our tourist destinations, and of course, our restaurants that offers delicious seafood dishes. Okay? And as a Matalomnons, we should be proud of this because mo ni siya giday o gidayo sa mga tao sa nagkalain-lain ng mga lugar.